In this video, I'm going to show you how to change pitch in Pro Tools. Now, the easiest way to do this is by adding inserts and then plugins. So the first thing you want to do is select your track where you want to change your pitch. Then you want to go to the top left, click on View, and then click on Edit Window Views, and you want to enable any of these inserts. I'm going to use A to E inserts over here, and as you can see, the inserts are now over here next to the name of your track and stuff like that, okay? So here you want to click on any open spot, and from here you want to hover over plugin, and you want to hover over pitch shift, and then over here you have two of them. So we have the pitch to mono or pitch to mono/stereo. You can use whichever one you want. I'm gonna go with this pitch to mono over here, so I'm gonna just click on it, and then from here, as you can see, that specific plugin is gonna get added on here. And to actually change the pitch, you can go and play with the things over here. So you have things like thresholds, you have windows, the coarse, you have fine, ratio, etc. And you can just go ahead and basically change the pitch in here using all these settings, and then you are good to go, okay? So whenever you're done, click on the X button and your pitch should be changed. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.